Hello, my name is Braden, and I'm going to go over my slide presentation with you. And as you can see, I chose to focus on an ad campaign done by the company Stihl. Stihl is generally a power tool company, and they sell outdoor equipment, power tools like chainsaws and weed eaters and things of that nature. And they had done a campaign that was called Get Real, Get Outside. And this campaign, I really liked it, and I chose to continue an ad for this campaign. They stuck with their outdoor equipment theme, and they went ahead and created some ads that focused on that outdoor idea of getting outdoors. We're going to use the advertisement where the first tweet was posted in our demonstrations here in our analysis. First we'll focus on the alignment. As you can see in this image and throughout the campaign, all of the typography is aligned left, and they also use one word per line. It is also placed on the left side of the ad. In this case, each picture has a real feeling to it, and meaning that the picture is familiar and it's something that each of us can identify with as having either seen or experienced in some way or form in the past. And then they use the color of the words, which the one common color is white, as you can see right here. And the draw over the white in the lettering is something that is consistently used throughout the campaign, and it provides a good contrast from that background image. The other consistency that they use is this Stihl logo in the upper right hand corner of the ad, and that's that orange color. Another consistency throughout the campaign is the use of the double meaning. As you can see in the draw over here as well, the word tweet is circled. Each of us, I would assume, are familiar with Twitter, and in this case they use the word tweet and they kind of twist that word to mean something a little bit more outdoors, a little bit more natural. Where the first tweet was posted, it could initially mean something on a social media platform, but they've changed that to be something outdoors. And they do that consistently throughout this campaign. In this new ad that I've proposed, we have very similar elements that we'll go over. The first one is the alignment. It remains consistent. Binge watching, the phrase is on the left side of the page. There's one word per line, and it is also aligned left. It has a consistent color and feel. The image itself is familiar and real life, and the color of that typography is repeated. The white lettering helps that to contrast from the background image. In this case, this ad also uses a double meaning. Binge watching is a term that is used usually in referring to a TV series or Netflix series where somebody will sit down and watch several episodes in a row, as opposed to watching them each week that they come out, or each new episode as it comes out. In this case, the ad, as you can see, the gaze of the girl in the image is focused on the sunset, and so that phrase has been twisted to mean that she's binge watching that sunset, something outdoors, a little bit more natural than the media term. So that's the addition that I had to the campaign. I feel like it's a strong addition in the sense that it uses the same typography, the same alignment, the same coloring with the typeface, and then also the image, and the image feels real, and the double meaning is there as well. It fits right in with that ad campaign. Thank you.